can't even cry no more.
They leaned it on the plastic, bro. Disrespectful. Taking the 2019 and the 2020.
Back to some hometown kids living the dream. I'm the one with the high hand, going hella deep with it hot damn. Like turn into a movie. We had to shoot in my shooters and knock down. Hell no, I ain't about to leave.
Your goggles! No! Cops are gonna get trashed, bro. There's no way these cops are gonna get. Oh, dude, they're gonna take them to the trails.
No, they didn't get that one.
Back here too. Oh. Damn, bro, let these bikers go, dude.
That's crazy.
Oh, get out of there!
That was just one of them, too.
Yeah! Dude, what are you doing?
Bro, it's long way up the...
You guys are stupid as...
Hey, go. Grrr.
Dude, where's that helicopter?
Throwing shots, let's get it bustin'. Ayy, that say he sippin' Ted. That's roastin'. If that nigga wants to smoke, let's get it bustin'. I got blood, Chris G's and loads. They no hands. 2019 and next up poppin' Zans. Feel like the Mosey, woke up like the man. Pocket so big, I'm going viral like double XL. I don't freestyle, my style ain't free. Go to my T, so I hit him with glee. Damn. Ayy, bro got a stick in the backseat. It'll make a run like an athlete. Am I gonna slide? You ain't even got a hand. Money so long, I'ma stretch it like
Let's go, let's go.
Let's get in the driver's seat. Let's go.
Let's go. Bro, everyone. You see all this?
Bro, that's not good.
Dude, there was like 30 cops coming over that bridge, bro.
Watch, watch.
Yo, watch behind you.
There's the cops. Pull over to the right.
Dude, we got out of here just in time.
Where? Which way? This way? What way? What way are we going? What are we doing?
For some dirt bikes, though.
Go.
Oh, this is getting crazy, yo. He about to hit my truck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, they are really. Oh fuck, they got.
Doing some shit at the lot. Oh,
Oh, he landed.
yo, we out, this landed, yo, we out. Yo, this right up.
This shit don't even seem real, yo.
This is crazy.
This shit does not seem real.
Open it up. Look.
No.
Open it up.
No. Yo, it's a parking lot. It's a parking lot. There's dudes literally in a parking lot.
Turn off, man. What you got in there?
Nothing, bro.
Huh?
Nothing.
How many bikes?
We have a bicycle, bro.
Huh?
A bicycle.
Go in the window.
They can't. They told me to turn the car off.
Open the door.
They told me to turn the car off.
Open the door.
For what? What have I done?
Open the door. Listen, this is not a good position for you right now. Open the door. Open the door. That's it. If you, why not cooperate? That's
I just don't know what's going on, man.
All right. I'm just
just asking, what do you have in your car?
We have a bicycle.
A bicycle? That's a bicycle right there?
There's a bicycle next to it.
Listen, all you gotta do is be honest. You're gonna get yourself a more stop.
You see it, bro.
What's the point? Bro, no, I had to open the door to see it.
Zach, the more you give
We're trying to be respectful. Yeah.
Like, apparently everybody's riding around. Is that legal? Is that
bro, there's no trespassing signs.
I'm not your friend, all right? So don't call me bro.
I apologize, sir.
How many bikes do you have?
Be cool, be honest.
I just got a bike.
Just one?
And a bicycle.
All right, well, we're gonna run all the motorbikes, all right?
I have paperwork for it. I have the title with me.
That's perfect.
Everything else.
Zach, you just need to
Isn't that what I just asked?
Yeah.
Like,
No, we appreciate it. Thank you. What's going on there? You guys have known about this place for a while? Yeah.
Are you guys just looking for like stolen bikes?
Somebody have ID?
Yeah, but do you really need?
Listen, I'm just gonna take your ID. Hopefully it's just one ID, all right?
All right.
I'm not trying to take anything, all right? I'm not trying to take anything, all right? I'm not trying to take anything, all right? I'm just trying to...
Yeah.
I'm just like, it's a parking lot, you know? Like,
I got a piece.
that's
like,
my thing, bro. Like
people are just trying to be safe and off the streets.
Like, this is the best place for this.
But
I went to the van. Like, it's like in the van, and we were driving. And got some good news for me?
98 4th missing the road. 984 missing the road.
I can't talk much because he has a camera there. But I think we're actually taking...
why? What are they gonna do? How do you get it back?
You're gonna get a receipt. I'm gonna write it up. You're gonna get a receipt. It's gonna come up.
That's crazy.
You guys, figure all that out. But right now, as of now, we're taking everybody here.
Bro. Wow. That's crazy. Like, we drove here and get a bike taken and then leave. That's it. That's like ridiculous. That's
in your defense, that's
crazy.
yeah.
Just sit tight. Don't make it worse. I know it's upsetting, but
we're going to have
3
$10 grand.
The bike back?
We got it locked up ahead.
I don't know what laws I broke.
This would be my assumption that this is private property.
It's not. There's no signs.
Yeah.
I've had game game roll up with lights and stuff, and like been like, yo, what's up? And they'd be like, oh, we're just looking for hunters. I was like, so I'm good to ride here? They're like, you don't see any no private signs. Like, have fun. That happened last week.
Just wait for her.
3 4.
Zach, so just explain to you everything that's going on.
All
right, so all the bikes are getting put on the property receipt. They're all going to major crimes. They're checking every bike to make sure they're not re-binned or stolen. You'll get a copy of the property receipt. Okay?
Listen, here's the thing. It's registered your name. Yes, sir. Where you want to
I have all the paperwork right here. All the bicycles too?
Let's go on the trailer.
No, not the bike. Yeah.
Zach, get a card from him. Get his card.
What? Card?
I don't have a card. I don't have a card. It's Perez. P-E-R-E-Z, badge 255.
The fire truck came out, single cop. They're taking it. They're taking the 2020. Why y'all got it? They're taking the 2020, bro. No.
It's my fault, I don't got you by my side, yeah.
Don't scratch it, yo. With the cigar? Okay, I can respect that.
Cause you cried till you can't even cry no more. And I lied till I can't even lie no more.
The new Thrill Seekers seat cover.
And then you tried till you can't even try no more.
fucked it up and I don't got you by my side no more. But you cried till you can't even cry no more. And I lied till I can't even lie no more. And you tried till you can't even try no more. I'm touching fame and I don't got you by my side no more. But this is not how it's supposed to be. You're supposed to be insane, all up in the roads with me, and all up in the ghosts with me, and switching lanes all up on the road with me, smoking by the O with me. But I'm the reason you don't notice me, and I cannot say sorry.
Zach here, and so the cops just raided the lot for no reason at all. They're taking all these bikes apparently, all 50 of them. Yo, can I get my license back? Thank you. Yeah, bro, there it is. They leaned it on the plastic, bro. Disrespectful.
You gotta see my plastic. My gold right now.
They f***ed it up?
Yeah.
Crazy.
That's crazy. Yeah.
2019.
Taking the 2019 and the 2020. Looks good, bro.
See, I ain't make you priority. Should've been in a Rari. See, you were supposed to go far with me. I was supposed to go far with you. Why did I make it hard for you? Why did I lay them scars on you? Cried till you can't even cry no more. And I lied till I can't even lie no more. And you tried till you can't even try no more. I fucked it up and I don't got you by my side no more. But you cried till you can't even cry no more. And I lied till I can't even lie no more. And you tried till you can't even try no more. I'm touching fame and I don't got you by my side no more. And it was hard, I admit it, but we don't even gotta talk, I get it. Cause I guess we just grew apart, I get it. You put your heart up in it, and it got dark, I let them scars up in it. When you was blown, the fuck should I really even start? It turned around, me hitting your phone, you wasn't hitting me back. And now you let me on my own, I can't forgive you for that. They try to tell me leave you alone and I ain't listen to that. I should've. I'm living life and I don't got you by my side. If I did, I you parking the Benz up in the garage. If I did, you be living different, but you ain't staying around. Can't believe I ever let you meet my mom. Cause you cried till you can't even cry no more. And I lied till I can't even lie no more. And then you tried till you can't even try no more. I fucked it up and I don't got you by my side no more. But you cried till you can't even cry no more. And I lied till I can't even lie no more. And you tried till you can't even try no more. I'm touching fame and I don't want you by my side no more. 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 By my side no more.
They took the bike, bro. Why'd they take the bike?
Yeah.
They took it, bro.
They took your bike?
They took my bike.
What happened? I thought you were
Oh my god. We're at the lot, and basically, they took like 20 bulls raw. They had this blocked off.
Did they take everyone's bikes?
They're taking everybody. They're taking like 50 bikes. All these cops.
It's a parking lot. There's dudes literally in a parking lot. We could be on the streets.
Dude, relax.
I know. They leaned it on the plastic, bro. Disrespectful.
2019.
Taking the 2019 and the 2020.